Taco Man, burning out you up here alone.
What?
Were you listening to us?
Oh,
Cuckoldry. It's not cuckoldry. It's cuckoldry.
Cuckold. It's 5 o'clock.
Right. I mean, it's called cuckoldry because of the cuckoo bird.
Is it?
That's what they do.
Fuck.
Yeah, that's what they do.
Is this another?
I think
Are we going?
this is bordering on not facts anymore. I'm feeling.
I'm not joking. So the cuckoo
Oh God. Here we
is
go.
called cuckoldry because listen, the female cuckoo bird will get impregnated and then lay its egg in another cuckoo bird's nest and have the other cuckoo birds raise the cuckoo chick.
Jesus Christ.
That's why it's called cuckoldry. And that's why the cuckoo bird.
So wait, all these fucking alt-right fucks are saying it wrong. They should be saying you're kooks.
Sure.
Because
Yeah.
if it's not, because cuck is from cuckolding, but if it's not cuckolding, it's cuckolding, then they should be saying you're kooks. But I feel like that's a racial slur.
I mean, a kook is a crazy.
Cook is crazy. person.
I don't buy your argument.
Yeah, I don't think that's a good argument
Whoa.
either. Because most dictionary, everything I've ever heard is cuckold, which maybe it's changed. Maybe that's where it derived from. But English is fluid.
Take it slow.